Jess. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm back again with another makeup series. 1 palette, 3 concepts. If you didn't watch my first makeup series, it will be somewhere in here so you can check that one out. And today we are starting off with Colourpop's one of the OG eyeshadow palettes. Yes please. So if you want to see how I created this look and 2 others, just continue watching. For my first look, I applied Colourpop's No Filter Foundation Stix. I used this terracotta shade for transition and also my crease. And then I darkened up the outer corner with this dark brown shade. Taking the first crease shade I used, I continued until the middle portion. And then got this shimmery shade and applied it towards my inner corners. I used Colourpop's Hydrating Concealer for my under eyes. Set it with the No Filter Loose Powder. After that, I got the first shade that I used and applied it on the lower lash line. And then I used this orange shade to have a lighter color. And for the last touch, I applied my eyeliner. And here's a cool TikTok transition for you. You're welcome. And that's it for the first look. And we have another cool transition. For the second look, I started with this orange shade in the crease. Then I wanted to have a shiny eyeliner place on top of my crease, so kind of like a cut crease, but not completely. And this is me trying to create some lines with a concealer. I wish I had those glittery liquid eyeshadows to have that pop of color in this crease place, but I didn't have anything like this, so I ended up using the 2 colors in the palette. After that, I went with a black eyeliner and then used Colourpop's liquid liner in the shade Try Me. Yeah, we will have that transition for 3 times, so get used to it. And in here, I applied the same concealer and same powder on my under eyes. For the inner corner, I connected the colors that I used on my crease. In here, I was just trying to show the difference between each eye because I did the lines completely different from each other. And again, since I use orangey tones, I didn't want to use a pink blush and went with a shade from my bronzer palette. And this is how the second makeup looks like. For the third look, I wanted to do a halo eye for some reason. I don't know why I tried to do this. But yeah, you will just watch me trying to do a halo eye but fail miserably. In here, I was just trying to figure out how the shape of the middle part should be, but I kept changing it because I wasn't sure how it was supposed to look like. I tried to soften the edges by going back to this red shade. And then, for some reason, I felt like it wasn't enough and continued to go over my crease with the concealer. I don't know what was the reason for that, but it made it worse. And then, like that wasn't enough, I wanted to make it bigger, thinking that it would look better, but it didn't, as you can see. And for some reason I couldn't find any matching lipsticks for this look, so I ended up using just a tint, even though I talked bad about it. But for this look I kinda liked how it looks on my lips, so maybe I should give it a chance. And this is the final result for the third and last look. And yeah, I guess that's it for all the looks. I try to make them different from each other as much as possible, but my creativity isn't too much. I am still trying to learn and get some kind of inspiration from the makeups that I see on the internet, but I'm still not the best. Please let me know which makeup look you like the most down in the comment section below. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I'm Jess. Dilimi ısırdım. Thanks for coming by too.